Hey guys, sorry I'm uploading a little late. I'm just bored, so I'm just making this video, that's all. So yeah, I'm just gonna make this for some reason. I don't know why. I made a slot 3 map. I made a third map, part 3 of my Piggy map. Alright. So yeah, let's do this. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot to do something. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna do that real quick. Oh man, I hate how Minitune made it so that you have to wait like 20 seconds to load something. Ugh. Cause I forgot to do something and I went it's like an ending cutscene for my graveyard map. What the? What? Alright, let's do that. Alright, I'm in here. Oh wait, George, is that you? George, what are you doing in here? Oh yeah, I updated it, I forgot. So we enter this trapdoor, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I updated the graveyard map to make it look cooler. And then, George, what are you doing in here? And he says, oh, I was hiding. I thought you were infected. Come with me. We need to go to Grandpa Pig's airport and get on a plane, quick. And then we say, okay. Then we load back in. Ugh, I hate when that happens. And then this is Grandpa Pig's airplane, and we go in it. So yeah, these are supposed to be the restrooms. This is the men's restroom, which has a purple key, which goes to the ladies' restroom, which someone dropped. I don't know what. I meant which there's a yellow key in there. Yep. And then there's a run. Oh no, I gotta get the gun. Oh yeah, I forgot to make a cutscene. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a cutscene. Wait, did I make a cutscene? I don't know. I just like making cutscenes, it's fun. Alright. Alright, why are we here, George? We need to go to Grandpa Pig's house. Okay, why? You'll see. He can help us. Alright. Then yeah. Pretty much we just get into it. Alright. I just want to give my maps a storyline. Since you're not allowed to make cutscenes in the build mode, he might add that feature. He could add that feature someday. I don't know. Oh. Alright, I gotta grab this wrench. I need this. Okay, Piggy just acting stupid. Alright, Oh yeah, just to let you know, whenever I do this, I'm not hacking. This is just some glitch you can do. I don't know why, but here, this is it. White keys over here. Now I'm just gonna complete this hobby. I'm not hacking, it's just a glitch. Mini Toon should I don't know. Actually, I hope he doesn't. And then we get out of the plane because Piggy broke in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah. And then the next map is going to be the next map, okay? Yeah, the next map is where we arrive at our destination.